Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yes, today we're going to continue our second part of the application video for FAU Erlangen University, where I will be showing how to apply for Autonomy Technology in the second part. So in the first part, we also saw the requirement analysis again in the FAU FAU official page. Then we understood the complete requirement analysis, what are the documents that they are asking and where to apply. Then we got to know how we have to apply via Campo. Then in the Campo portal, we also showed you how to register for inside the Campo portal. We couldn't show the complete process because we already registered. That's the reason I showed you the registration form, fill the details. After clicking submit, I showed you the email address which you get it. So in that email address, you will have your username and the link where you have to verify. You have to click on that link, then log in or choose the password and log in. After that, you will come back to Campo portal, use the same user ID and password and logged in. Then we also showed you how to load the course. After that, we went to second step where we have to fill university entrance qualification. So these are the things which we did in first part and stopped here. And in second part, as I told you, we will show you how to fill in the university entrance qualification details, then all bachelor degree details, other things, upload documents, English language certificate, if any other APS, all other documents are needed, we will upload everything. Then we will finish the application. This is which is planned in second part. Before that, if you're new to this channel, then please don't forget to click like, share and subscribe, and also please share this video with the people who are in need so that they can also look into our video, understand the requirement analysis at first, check for the documents which are wanted for them to apply, then look at our application video, apply by looking at our videos, get the college and start their dream studies in Germany. If you still need one-on-one session with me, then don't hesitate to join our YouTube membership course where you will get one-on-one session with me and also get unlimited changes for your CV, SOP, LR, and also there is a chance where I will apply for you. So if you need that, without any delay, we'll get started our second part. As I told you, here we have to fill in your university entrance qualification. People always get confused with the university entrance qualification. Either you have to fill your bachelor details or second PUC. I always suggest or tell you many a times, the university entrance qualification is nothing but your 12th standard. Why? Because the university at present before your master which you have done, the university that you have done before your masters is bachelor. For that bachelor to happen, what is the entrance qualification that you have done? Either you would have done diploma or you would have done second PUC. That's the reason you have to fill here your second PUC details. That's how you can understand easily. You can also see here your foreign high school diploma, school living certificate that entitles to enroll the study program at the University of Germany. In Germany, that is Abitur. So Abitur is nothing. In Germany also 12th standard. So this is the point where you finish schooling, then join the study program at university in Germany. That's the reason they call it Abitur. But if you're doing in India, we call it as 12th standard. Then international applicants with university entrance qualification earned outside Germany must enter the value 4.5. because they are not asking you to enter your marks card percentage because you guys don't know how to convert that. So university entrance qualification grade would be converted from themselves. That's the reason they ask us to fill 4.5. Then acquired, the degree is in abroad. Then the country which we got 12th standard is India. Then type of university entrance qualification is general university, I would say, because other thing is German school abroad and outside Germany, which is subject specific. Here we never did 12th standard as a subject specific. That's the reason I always suggest general university entrance qualification earned outside Germany is the better way. Then date of which your German entry qualification or university entrance qualification was acquired. So this is the date when I got my second PUC's marks card awarded. That's the reason I have filled in this details. Then you can click on continue. After filling the second PUC details, when you clicked on continue, you will be asked for university entrance qualification. So here we have filled in our general university entrance qualification that we have earned outside Germany. That is what we filled in now. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then it will ask for have you completed any vocational training? No. Have you completed any service in Germany? No. Then filling no there, then please click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then it will ask for have you understood everything that which we have done now. So in order to apply for Germany, if you're coming from any of the country, especially India, then please check in that your college has a university in Anabin website and also get to know the information everything in that website. Yes, we have understood everything for us. Then we will say yes, I have understood. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, here they will ask that have you got any admission in previous semester. If yes, please select yes and give in the admission letter that you have got. If not, this is the first time you are applying, then please select continue. This section will be helpful for the people who have got the admission in previous semester, but due to some visa issues or other things you couldn't make this year, then please mention that. Then you will have first priority and you will get the admission again, because of visa problems you couldn't come to Germany to study. So that people can apply here. But if you are first time applying, then please select no. Then you can click on continue. After continuing, then you need to fill in the school living certificate documents. In order to support the documents what we have filled here, please combine 10th and 12th marks card, then submit the combined PDF so that it will be covering everything. Then after that, click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, the second one would be university degree qualifying for admission of a degree program. So in order for admission of degree program, which is the admission of a degree program that we are going to get an admit, which is master degree. For that, which is the university degree that you are has to be done in order to qualify, in order to get that program. In order to get master, what is the university that you should have done in order to qualify, which is bachelor's. That's the reason you are filling the bachelor details here. Degree obtained at FAU? No. We obtained degree in international. That's the reason country of university is in India. Then the name of the university is Visvesvaraya Technological University. Location is Belgavi, Karnataka. Then you have to give in the website of your VTU. Then academic institution abroad it is. The degree type is bachelor degree. Degree which I did is Bachelor of Engineering in Electrical and Engineering. That's the reason you can mention any of the degree name which you have done. Electrical Engineering, Electronics and Communication, Electronics, Telecommunication, Information Technology. These are the closely related field people can apply here. Then status of your degree. I have degree completed and the certificate is available. You can also select degree completed but certificate is not yet available. So this will be the people who are applying with PDC or waiting for PDC or degree certificate. Not yet completed are the ones who are still in 8th semester. Then you select this. For the documents, you need to get a bona fide certificate mentioning everything that you're gonna finish your degree in this particular date and the current CGPA is this, and you will get the PDC in this time. So these are the information that you need to have in bona fide certificate, and that bona fide certificate you have to upload in final academic record. And then the study period is 4 years. That's the reason I have mentioned the 4-year date. Then final degree grade that I have is 8.8 CGPA. Then the maximum CGPA that one can get in VTU is 10. Minimum CGPA in order to get past the degree is 5. So that's the reason I have mentioned everything. Then ECTS credits earned so far is in VTU we will get earned 200 ECTS. That's the reason I have given 200. After that, transcript of records, you can give the bachelor transcript of records that you usually have, the degree certificate. After giving all 2 records, then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, then you need to also give the grading scale. So this grading scale would be nothing but in order to get your CGPA, what is the grading conversion that they're doing. Like in VTU, we have SGPA, CGPA, then they will do some conversion. So this formula or the conversion would be in your university website. Please go there, download that and put that bachelor transcript and grading scale here. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, it will ask for any optional applicant content. So you can, if you have done master degree or diploma which you have not filled in previous section, if you have done extra degree, then please fill in clicking add previous study and fill in all details. Then you can click on continue if you don't have anyone. At first here you need to submit your APS document. This is no brainer. Please submit the APS certificate. If you don't have APS, if you are waiting until now or and if you want to just take a chance by applying freely for FAU, then I will tell you wait for until the end of video. I have something for you. If you have APS certificate, then please upload here. Then you can click on continue. After that, you need to select no for lost right of examination because we have not lost the right of examination. Then at German language skills, you have to select no German language skill because the minimum German language skill in order to get or have is minimum Goethe C1. That's the thing that they are asking here, and this is because this section is for the people who are applying for German third course, but we are applying for English third course. That's the reason. Please mention no language skill and none in the language certificate. Other than that, you will get English language certificate details at next step. Please mention the language level that you have achieved, which is C1, and what language certificate you have done, which is IELTS, and the test result either in number or in the grade. So usually the number would be make sense because we already achieved the level or given the level in C1 here. Then please upload the document which can support it, which is IELTS. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, here again they will ask for any professional experience that you have obtained in the abroad. If you have any professional experience, like say example internship, normal work experience, then please click on this professional experience button and then upload, apply and fill in the details. Then you can click on continue after filling all those things. Here you have to fill in the master degree at, in autonomy and technology, additional information. So you need to have specific modules with a minimum of 22.5 ECTS. You have corresponding. So linear algebra, everything. So we have done maths 1 to 4, which will counts up to 16 ECTS. After that, you need to give computer science modules, which will counts up to 14 ECTS. Then you have done 20 ECTS about mechanical and automotive courses. So here they are asking the minimum of 20 ECTS, 22.5 ECTS. So please make sure you look into your transcript, gather the courses and please fill in the things. So here I have given in electrical engineering modules, it is, they have said it like a fundamental ones. The courses that you do in 3rd to 8th semester complete comes under electrical engineering. So that's why you can divide and put some in mathematics, say example, then you can increase the 16 ECTS to 22 ECTS. Make sure you give the same amount of ECTS that they are asking by including these many subjects. So you can look into your transcript and you will get to know the subjects that will fall under this category and fill in. Then at last you have to give the letter of application. So this letter of application is nothing but your letter of motivation, which is SOP, then curriculum vitae, which is your CV. After that, please click on continue after filling all these details. Then this is nothing but the international applicants master degree course. University entrance examination we have not done, because most of the people, if you have done, please select yes, otherwise please select no. So because of assessment examination, we cannot choose any of this. That's the reason I have selected no, which will make our life easier. Then you can click on continue. After clicking on continue, you will get the normal questions where they will ask about, do you need any mails that are coming from FAU about the course and other things. So please mention if you need to have any promotions email that you need to get from email address. For your email address, you can select either yes or select no, and which language they have to send, you can also select. After that, you can click on continue. At last, the question they ask is, have you enrolled in FAU in past? No, because this is the first time we are applying for this, so we have never enrolled in FAU, so we will select no. Then you can click on continue. Once you clicked on continue, they will ask for other information. This is the place where I told, if a person doesn't have APS certificate yet, try his luck, as FAU Erlangen doesn't cost any of the application money. Please make sure you write this message saying APS certificate is not issued, but I have applied for APS certificate and my degree college is H+, so my APS result will be positive. For this, please give in or upload a document saying APS certificate registration certificate with the fees paid. So this will help you. If you are still waiting for APS, you can take a chance like this if you don't have APS certificate to upload. Then where you learnt about FAU, this course we learnt from that. Then you can click on continue. After that, we will get the complete things that we did, so you can already go through glance about what are the information that we gave. We gave university entrance qualification, then in order to prove that we gave the document for that, then we filled in degree details, our bachelor's, then they give the what are the CGPA that we have got, how many ECTS that we earned, APS document, bachelor degree certificate, bachelor degree transcript, IELTS certificate, what are the courses that we have done, then normal SOP CV and other additional things. Then you can click on I humbly confirm that, then you can directly submit the application. Once you clicked on submit the application would be submitted. So after that, you will get the information about acceptance and rejection in your email address which you have registered. So this is what I just wanted to mention you guys in today's part 2 video of FAU Erlangen. If this video is lengthier, please don't mind, because I just wanted to club everything in one video so that I don't want to divide and make it 2 videos. Hope you guys understood and like this video. I suggest it's a very good course and you don't have any fees to apply for this. Please take a chance and apply. If you get it, then it's good for everyone. So thank you for your support watching this video part 2 until here. So in the next part, I will show you how to apply for embedded system in 2 minutes. So watch for that video. Until then, take care. Bye bye.